Hello and welcome back to our channel where we speak all about futures, about the analysis, the actual psychology, and the different type of things that we need to look for. As I'm learning from my great mentor that actually trades down in the on Wall Street, right by it. So he's teaching me amazing things, and one of the things that he mentioned with to me is to make sure that I have number one journaling of the trades. Number two is basically planning the day. So in this video, I want to make a plan for the day to see is there a potential trade that will be taking. So I will share my screen with you and show you exactly what we are going to do for the day. Okay, so here is our here is one moment. Let me actually show. Okay, so this is what we are looking at. We are going to also uh, start with our journal. So give me a moment to open my journal on my other screen. Here, right here. So then I'm going to, why I don't see my mouse, here we go. Okay, so then I'm going to dashboard, just want to see. Okay, so today is the 24th, no trades for the day yet, amazing. Daily journal, okay, log day. Okay, daily game plan. So let's start looking at what we have here. Okay, so basically, number one, let me just see if I can find any zones from above. So daily. So let me mark the uh, high of Friday. So this will be something of that sort, and I would mark Friday high. Okay. So on Friday high, we would want to see a rejection. That's first thing. Okay. And that's on the ES, right? So you see it's almost came to the low of Friday and rejected. Let's see what's happening on NQ here. As you can see, it's moving similarly. NQ. Also very close to Friday low. Okay. And wait. Okay. So Friday high and Friday low. That's right. Friday low. Okay. The reason I write that because there is quite a bit of lines that you are getting to over time. So you want to make sure that you have understanding of what your lines mean. Okay. And then at the end of the day, I will delete them regardless. Okay. So we have that. Then let's start looking if we have anything within that area. So we have this, but big wick on the bottom, not very good for us. This wick, let me see if we have something in 3 hours. We have something in 3 hours. Um, let's see, 2 hours now. 690. No, 30 minutes. Okay, well, we have this. What was it? 3 hours? The 3 hours is like not bad. Okay, so also what's important right away is to make sure a few things. Number one, we want to look at overall strength and weakness over the last sometimes. So over, I mean the bigger picture. So the bigger picture shows us 25, 15, 16. Okay, 30, 17, 17, and then yes, it's 4, 3, and that is like 7.5 and 6. So we can see that will be better for us because that's a leading instrument. So to take trades on that. So now it's right by the 4 hours again. Okay, almost by the low of Friday. And here it's not that much by the low actually. Let's see, 0.30. Actually, yes. Let's see. Also, it's way too far, right? Those lines way too far. Okay. Let's see also. So we have this 3 hours. Let's see what we have here. 6 hours. 6 hours. This one not like compared to what we had on the ES there or Nasdaq. The 3 hours was already tested here. Let's see here. Tested 2 times too. That's on Friday. Yeah. And that's today, Monday. Yeah. So was tested back on Friday and tested back now. Wow. Okay. So what would be my plan? You see, in theory, my plan should have um, two confirmations. I mean, three confirmations. And also, if we're looking at a bigger time frame, we firm to a certain degree balanced area here. Okay, so looking at those two things, let's see. So we broke this. Let's see if there is a whole number here. $5,500, $5,600. No. Oh wow! Look, the Friday high is at 5,550 almost. So that's a very good sign. It's a, you can call it an additional confirmation. What about here? Uh, this is like it's still in a movement, but you see actually it has the momentum. So potentially will be shorting in this area. And again, that's a potential. Why? Because it went under this wick and under this wick. Oh no, still not under that wick. So it's will need to push under that wick. Okay, it will want to push under that wick for a great movement to the downside. That's what we will see. Okay, so interesting. That's moving higher or lower, lower. Okay, so let's see. Yes, now it's broke that, and I can see higher probability that it will go down to somewhere in this area as a move. Okay, now we need the confirmation. So we have this 3 hours, and we will need something in this area for potentially. Way too big of VIX that we're getting here. This one I like for potentially. Way too big of VIX that we're getting here. This one I like the 2 hours, and we want to buy here. What about here? We have anything? Let's see on 2 hours time frame. We have this one. That's 2 hours. Okay, let me just see something right now. So from here to here, 0.5, let's call it. 0.45, something like that. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, then let's see at VIX. Do we have anything here? I mean, no, the VIX we don't as much need to look at because the VIX. So now it broke also Friday low, and it's at 19,900. Okay, so it has to kind of respect it, or if it breaks below, that's confirmation that it will go lower. Okay, so far what we are saying that we will want to see a breakdown to around this area. Okay, and let's just look to confirm that this is the right type of trend line. Let's make sure I have those two. Moment. So we're looking at the balance area here. Right. Okay. See this zone, how it's broke above and respect 1, 2. almost third time, and now fourth time it's still in it. So it's very important. Let's see if we have, I mean, this trend line not bad. I just see something. In a way, I'm seeing a nice trend line here. But what for? That's the question. What for? So there is this one, two, three. And what are we looking for here? It's good, but I don't know if we even need to keep that. So I will keep it for now, but most likely I will delete it after. Um, okay, so let's look at the plan. Okay, so these 6 hours, I most likely will have that removed because we already broke apart. We have this new 2 hour, so we keep that. Okay, and then what happened here? This 4 hours is already well used. Okay, so I will still keep it here just because it's in it actually right now, but in theory, it's irrelevant so much. Now, we're looking more at these 2 hours. So, what I will be looking at is basically a rejection from here down to here, and as well from here to here. So, then I have double confirmation that it's hitting there, here, um, and I will be looking for long. So, I have this trend line, I have this what you call this demand zone, and I will be playing long. Stop loss I will put right in this area. Okay, so under those 2 weeks. So I have there as a support line as well. Okay, you can see that. And then what I will be doing, I will be playing long, uh, targeting first low of Friday. Okay, and second, I will let it continue running, and then I will put my stop loss uh, more towards entry. And once it will hit here, instead of me taking profit, I would move it higher. Okay, because I believe I will enter with 2 lots here. Right. Like that. Okay, so let's just see that. Okay, we need to move that up. No, 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 no. Right. Perfect. Right. Like that. Okay, so let's just see that. Okay, Okay, we need to move that up. No, 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 no. Wait. Perfect. Okay, so that. Okay, so we are here with this type of a risk. We are risking $60. $60. It will be 120. So that's actually not as per my risk parameters. So I have to change that. And what I will have to do, it needs to be more towards $25. So because it needs to be more towards $25, no, $25 on one. This then shows that it will be, if it's here, the reason I have it here is because of this line, okay? So if we are here, that will be 37, 37 times 2, it will basically be about $70. And then I can have here another one long. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, let's see, 37. Okay, Friday. So 37. Need to clean the mouse sometimes. So $37. Let me just write it down. Be easier. So we are playing on $100. Okay. So if then I have 37, it will be approximately $75 or something like that. 75. So then I have about $25 right there. So then I can, let me see, 25. I will be able to divide to two. It will be about $12. $12 risk. So it's smaller. Okay. So then we can do something like that. To change that, 30. So let's say 30, $30. It will be that $30, and then I can have $20. So let me just do that. So then only what? My entrance, $30. And this I will be able to $20 here. 30 and 20, it's 50, it's 100 altogether. Okay, perfect. Okay, Maybe I should do that. Yeah, like that. And that I will let it run. But so that would be my plan. Okay, that would be my plan on that. Uh, yes, that would be my plan. Ideally, if you ask me, if I was able to enter earlier here or at the high of the zone, I would prefer. However, I have to work with what I got. So then, like basically, I can work within my parameters and plans. It's very important. So maybe when it will be approaching towards the zone, I will be looking at the formation of what the chart provides me from candle wise, and maybe I will do a quick scalp towards the zone. But we'll see, and I will have probably also a video of that as well as I'm doing some live trades. For now, as you can see, it went deep within the zone and it started to reject. And we are 1 minute before the open, actually 25 seconds. Let's see also how that will open. How that will open because it had a massive drop last week. And yeah, if it's here, I will play long. Here we go. Which is very interesting. Give me a moment here. 1 second. What I'm trying to figure out. Trying to no, actually, that's way too much. Uh, so yes, I will play also long on this. I will play long. This is from analysis that we did on Friday. We did on Friday analysis on Nvidia, Nasdaq, as a confirmation to figure out if if we are going to have a long or short. And here I was saying that I will be feeling comfortable to take a long position. Tesla, it's up today. Let's see. This one is up. Let's see. This one is good. This one, wow, had a gap up to. Nice. This one is under. CBS. Okay. If it breaks above that candle, then most likely we will have a rally. Yeah, like that. Mhm. Mhm. Here we go. That's a rally. Tesla is on the move a bit. Let me see here. Yes. Let's see. They seem to respect those lines very well. Okay. So that. And it will need to go towards the 200 moving averages. And that's when we can exit some. There we go. That's a rally. Now, some people will say, okay, if you saw a rally, why wouldn't you take it? Because what happened, I want to make sure that I trade based on plans and not, oh, I can see there is a little rally and then hold a little bit and yes, gain on it. But I like to have plans so long term we will be able to sustain the account and trade those long terms. So that's what I usually look for. If all of a sudden I change my strategy of trading, then like more towards have some scalping and have some swing trades or more planned trades, definitely you guys will see that as well. For now, it's just that I'm trading on land, and sometimes I do like little trades like that, but they are not very successful over the long picture. So let's see. So in this area, NVIDIA, 22. NVIDIA, I would want to buy longing. I would buy 50 shares in this area, 121. But those ones, you see, because it's very volatile and it moves uh, fast, it's very different because I'm thinking to buy and hold. Now, if you see there is a drop like this, let's say I bought here 100 shares or 200, and on a move like this, it's a lose of $800. So I had there 200, I sold it somewhere in this area, so I lost $600. But that's how volatile it is. It moves and it's great when it's moved towards your direction. But if it doesn't, you can start seeing negative on your account fast. Okay, so pretty much what I will do right now, I will journal my plan on the Nasdaq. So give me a moment here. Uh, and, planning to take MQ trade on 2 lots longing. Okay, Longing. Explore my plan. Looking to take long from one 2 hours. Demand zone starting at 19,817. 17. I want to have entry at 19,789 and 19,779 with stop loss under the zone and a bit under the wick of the zone creation. I will take profits at 19,918.5, which is right by the low of Friday. Or I will take second profits. Which is this. Okay, 5. Sorry, 5. My confirmations are the 2 hours demand on NQ, 2 SB, 2 hours demand on ES, C, what was it? 0.5? No, it was 0.4. Zero 0.4-ish, 0.4-ish on both NQ and ES to the 2-hour zone. Also, see, that's a long squeeze right there. And why I also can see that it's forming, like overall lower highs. It's or higher low, higher low, higher low. And now you will see, oh, it's on the bottom of the zone. The moment it breaks that, it will have a great move to the bottom. And on the move to the zone, in higher lows. Okay. Okay. Copy image. Okay. So basically, I'm taking pictures now of my uh, setup and of what exactly I'm thinking as a trade, and that's it. Now all I will need to do is basically put an alert. I think I will put, which I will be watching regardless today, that, but that's what I wanted to see. Put an alert there. I don't really need that at the moment. I actually had another alert today come on, which was that uh, during the night it came on. So I just will be looking at that as well. Let me create that even closer now because I'm up. So it will be great to watch that. I want to see what's formatting and potentially take a trade on this as well. PL. You guys remember we did that we did those analysis together, so we have a plan on that as well. So we'll be looking at that and we'll format on that. Um, okay, so I will finish at that as I have more information to share with you guys. I will be more than happy to come back on and share with you as I'm doing some trades live, as I'm thinking of some stuff and looking to analyze other charts. I will be here to share with you and we'll be looking at them together. Thank you for watching. If you learned anything, if you have any questions, if you have any suggestion, any thoughts, we'll be more than happy to look at that and do whatever I can to possibly help you profit more on the markets. Thank you for watching and we will see you on the next one.